Forget eggs for a moment. After 50, your muscles don't just need protein, they need the kind of nutrition that helps you recover faster, reduce soreness, and keep your energy steady.
Many of you already noticed the changes. Walking up the stairs leaves you breathing harder, lifting groceries feels heavier than it used to, and your body takes longer to bounce back after yard work.
That's not weakness. That's the natural process of losing muscle with age, something doctors call sarcopenia. But here's the truth. You can fight it, and you don't need expensive powders or complicated diets. 4 simple nuts, almonds, walnuts, pistachios, and cashews, offer the building blocks your body craves. They protect your joints, improve blood flow, balance hormones, and still give you the protein your muscles demand.
Stay with me, because in just a moment, I'll show you how each one works and how to make them part of your daily routine.
Eggs are known as the gold standard for protein, but after 50, they're not the complete answer. Yes, they provide high-quality protein, but they also come with limits. Many older adults worry about cholesterol. Some find eggs heavy on digestion, especially when appetite is smaller. And most importantly, eggs don't deliver the extra nutrients your aging body now relies on. Nutrients that reduce inflammation, keep joints flexible, support blood flow, and balance hormones.
Protein alone cannot solve muscle loss. That's why so many people still feel stiff, sore, or drained even if they eat eggs daily. What your muscles truly need is protein plus support from vitamins, minerals, and healthy fats that work together.
This is where nuts stand out. They go beyond protein to cover the gaps eggs leave behind. And once you see how each nut works, you'll understand why a handful can outperform a whole plate of eggs.
Almonds are one of the most practical foods you can add after 50 if you want to keep your muscles working. They give you solid protein, but what makes them stand out is magnesium. Without enough magnesium, your muscles don't contract smoothly and recovery drags on longer than it should. Almonds also supply vitamin E, an antioxidant that helps calm inflammation so your joints don't stay sore after a walk, gardening, or exercise.
A small handful, about 10 to 12 almonds, can be enough to make a difference. They're easy to digest compared to heavy meats, and you can eat them raw, toss them into oatmeal, or mix them with yogurt.
For many older adults, this simple snack is easier to stick with than another large meal. Try almonds daily for a week and notice how your energy and recovery feel. Small steps like this add up quickly when your goal is lasting muscle strength.
Walnuts do more than support memory. They play a direct role in keeping your muscles active after 50. They are packed with omega-3 fatty acids that reduce inflammation in joints and connective tissue, making it easier to stay mobile and recover from activity. Walnuts also contain arginine, an amino acid that improves blood flow. Good circulation matters because muscles need a steady supply of oxygen and nutrients to rebuild. Many older adults find that a few walnuts each day make movement less painful and help them stay consistent with walking, stretching, or light strength training. You don't need a large serving. Add a small handful to your morning oatmeal, mix them into salads, or sprinkle crushed walnuts on roasted vegetables. These simple habits can keep your body flexible and your muscles better nourished. If you already enjoy walnuts for brain health, now you know they are also powerful muscle food. Pistachios are one of the best nuts you can choose if you want both protein and control over your weight after 50. Unlike many snacks, pistachios provide all 9 essential amino acids, making them a complete protein, something your muscles require to rebuild. They're also rich in vitamin B6 and potassium, nutrients that help your body actually use the protein you eat and keep your muscles and nerves working properly. Because pistachios come in shells, they naturally slow you down and make portion control easier. A small bowl in the afternoon can stop cravings, give you steady energy, and prevent you from reaching for cookies or chips. You don't need a big serving. Just a handful is enough to fuel your muscles and keep you satisfied.
Try replacing your usual processed snack with pistachios for a week and notice the difference in energy and recovery. It's a simple swap with long-term benefits.
Cashews are often overlooked, but they bring powerful benefits for muscle and overall health after 50. They provide zinc, a mineral essential for tissue repair, hormone balance, and immune strength, three areas that directly affect how well your muscles recover and grow. Cashews also offer healthy fats and protein that give you steady energy without leaving you feeling heavy.
Their softer texture makes them easy to digest, which is helpful if you no longer tolerate large servings of meat or heavy meals. A few cashews can be blended into a smoothie, spread as cashew butter on toast, or tossed into a stir-fry. These small changes add variety and make healthy eating easier to stick with. Many older adults appreciate cashews because they feel light yet filling, and they help keep digestion comfortable. Adding cashews regularly can support your strength while making your meals more enjoyable and practical.
The easiest way to benefit from these 4 nuts is to make them part of your daily routine. You don't need complicated recipes or large portions. Rotate them through the week so you get a balance of nutrients. Almonds one day, walnuts the next, then pistachios or cashews. A small handful is usually enough. Add them to foods you already eat. Sprinkle almonds on oatmeal, mix walnuts into salads, snack on pistachios in the afternoon, or blend cashews into a smoothie. Replacing packaged snacks with nuts cuts out empty calories while giving your muscles real support. If you worry about calories, remember that nuts are filling and they naturally help control hunger, so you end up eating less overall. Try a simple challenge. Eat 1 handful of nuts each day for 7 days and pay attention to how your body feels. Many people notice better energy, less soreness, and steadier strength in just a week. Some people hesitate to eat nuts because they worry about calories or fat. The truth is, when you keep portions to a small handful, nuts give you concentrated nutrition without causing weight gain. Others fear allergies, but you don't need all 4 types to see benefits. Choose the ones that work for you. Another concern is cholesterol. Yet research shows the healthy fats in nuts actually protect your heart. Compared to processed snacks loaded with sugar and sodium, nuts are a safer, smarter option.
If you have sensitive digestion, start with cashews or almonds, which are often easier on the stomach. The key is consistency, not quantity. 1 handful a day is enough to make a noticeable difference.
These are not trendy superfoods. They are practical, everyday foods that older adults can use to stay active, protect their joints, and support muscle recovery without stress or confusion.
Let's bring it all together. Eggs are still healthy, but after 50, your body needs more than protein alone. Almonds supply magnesium and vitamin E to help your muscles contract and recover. Walnuts bring omega-3s and arginine to ease joint pain and keep blood flowing. Pistachios give you complete protein plus B6 and potassium to make every gram of protein count. Cashews provide zinc and gentle energy for steady recovery and hormone support.
These 4 nuts cover the gaps eggs leave behind, supporting not only muscle growth, but also joint comfort, circulation, digestion, and overall vitality. The best part is how simple they are to use. You don't need special recipes or big changes, just a handful each day. Think of it as fuel your body can actually use at this stage of life. With these nuts in your routine, staying strong and active becomes far more achievable.
Your muscles after 50 can still respond, but they need the right fuel and steady habits. Adding almonds, walnuts, pistachios, and cashews is one of the simplest ways to protect strength without relying on heavy meals or expensive supplements. Start small with a handful a day and pay attention to how you feel. More energy in the morning, less soreness after activity, better control of cravings. These are signs your body is rebuilding. The change is not instant, but week by week, you'll notice progress if you stay consistent. Don't think of nuts as a treat. Think of them as daily support for your muscles, joints, and overall health.
If this advice resonates, share which nut you eat most often and how it helps you. And make sure to subscribe so you don't miss the next tips on staying strong, active, and confident well into your 60s, 70s, and beyond.